lemon blueberry muffins. That's what we're making today, and come with me on this journey. First, you're going to take 3 cups of flour and add to that a cup of sugar plus another ½ cup of sugar. Next, it's going to be ½ a teaspoon of baking soda and a ½ teaspoon of salt. Here I'm using kosher salt, which is delicious. And then go ahead and take your handy dandy whisk and whisk it all together so that there's no clumps, because the worst thing in this thing is clumps. And believe me, I know from experience. Just trust me on that. Now, this is when you realize, oh, my bowl is too small and I need to put in a bigger one, because sometimes we be acting a fool. Now, I'm gonna do our wet ingredients one at a time. So here is 4 ounces of unsweetened applesauce, and we're going to mix that completely into the flour. And it may feel like it takes a while, but it's worth it. And make sure you're using cutting motions into this, because you'll see it kind of clumps up. Now I'm taking 4 more ounces of unsweetened applesauce and completely mixing this in as well. And we want it to look where it's like just coming together. Just like this. This is where it's just starting to come together. And now we're gonna add our 3rd cup of vegetable oil. Thoroughly mix that. And the reason why we're thoroughly mixing between each one is so that we can get a very even consistency. When you're baking, it can end up really bad if you don't do this. All right, here's a ½ cup of just regular water, cold water. Again, mixing it completely in. Beautiful. And finally, a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Now, I used bottled lemon juice, but you can also use fresh squeezed lemon juice. The reason why I don't use fresh squeezed lemon juice is because lemons tend to go bad on me, and I'm tired of dealing with it. All right, now 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. These are super healthy for you, but they also absorb some of that liquid. Plus, I like how they look in the batter. Nice and speckled. And here I have about a 1.5 cups of frozen blueberries. You most definitely can use fresh blueberries. If you use frozen, I do recommend extending the baking time just a little bit to account for the extra moisture. Now here I have vegetable oil and a paper towel. And I'm gonna grease our muffin tin, making sure to do all the inside and then the rim around the top. And do that to all of them. Just like that. Oop, gotta get that out of the way. Now, we're gonna pour our batter in. And since we didn't use eggs for this, we used applesauce as an egg replacement. You could eat this batter if you wanted to, just straight up. I did try a little bit, it's pretty good. Now, we're gonna take our muffin tins, put it into a 350-degree oven for 30 to 40 minutes. And this is what you'll get. Beautifully baked lemon blueberry muffins. But they're hot, so let them cool. And once they're cool, you can just take them out just like this. You just peel them from the sides and pull. Twist and pull. Oh, so gorgeous. Still slightly warm. I couldn't wait any longer. Let's see what the inside looks like. Oh, here we go. Oh, some of them are still whole. Some of the blueberries. That looks so amazing. Yes, make sure you use a cake tester or a knife or a toothpick so that to know that the batter is completely done. But These look amazing. I'm so happy with this, and I hope you are too. Share this one with your family, and as always, enjoy.